Laura. Well, you are pretty. Hold on. You're pretty, but I never know if you like me or not, because sometimes you act like you like me, and then sometimes you act like you don't. I don't know. You confuse me. But it's okay, because I don't go to Lake Worth anymore. Thank the Lord. Hallelujah. Honestly, I would have advised all of y'all just to leave. Go on to a better school, better education, better sports programs. But y'all wanted to stay. Okay. I'm really sleepy. Really. My iPad's not. There we go. It's like not focusing. I think after your video, I'm about to quit. I have to wash my mascara off. And then I'm gonna go to sleep. Sleep. Good night. It's not letting me press the button. Seriously, it's ridiculous.